Hello everybody, this is Shake-Line.com. Obviously, you're not a golfer. Welcome to Shake-Line.com. Today we're gonna prepare an iconic drink. The Big Lebowski inspired, the White Russian. Really famous in the 60s was added the cream. So let's go to the ingredients. This time we're gonna need some vodka, some coffee liqueur, and heavy cream. This drink is really easy to impress everybody. Yeah, because it's famous, it's nice to do and easy. Let's start with the very first beginning. We're gonna go with the vodka first with 4 centiliters of vodka. Then with the other side, we're gonna add 2 centiliters of coffee liqueur. The third, we're gonna put the ice. Okay, this is the bar spoon. If you don't have one, a regular spoon works, okay? So we're gonna hold the glass and just cheer it to the sides, just making nice circles. You can see my fingers, I will do it slower, I just pull it down. And the very last part, heavy cream. With this heavy cream, we're just gonna add a couple of shots to make nice flavor. So everybody, cheers, Big Lebowski. You can call me the dude. Cheers guys, see you in Shake-Line.com. Cheers. Amazing.